a single goal appears massive and distant, making consistency feel like something only the highly disciplined can reach. An attempt begins with effort and intensity, but without structure, it quickly collapses, showing how overwhelming approaches lead to failure. After repeated struggle, the mind exaggerates the difficulty, and the goal starts to feel even further away than before. The problem is reframed. Consistency is not about doing more, but about removing complexity and lowering expectations. A new standard appears, so small it seems almost insignificant, shifting focus from performance to starting point. The smallest possible action is completed easily, proving that progress begins when resistance is reduced to near zero. Repetition takes shape, not as a forced effort, but as a simple loop that can be repeated without mental friction. Daily repetition builds visible proof of progress, where small actions accumulate into a consistent pattern over time. With repeated success, confidence grows naturally, and actions begin to feel automatic rather than forced. Another small habit is introduced, reinforcing the idea that consistency expands by stacking simple, manageable behaviors. The second habit is completed with the same ease, showing that when tasks are small, adding more does not increase resistance significantly. Multiple simple loops operate together, demonstrating that consistency is not one big habit, but a system of small repeated actions. Movement becomes fluid and natural as the need for motivation decreases and routine takes over. Progress becomes visible as a series of small steps, each one building toward a larger outcome without overwhelming effort. At the core, consistency is revealed as an identity built through lowered barriers, where success becomes the default because the tasks are easy enough to never fail.